Alright, chat. Alright, chat. Yo. Alright. So, today is a little bit more unique with, so what we're doing here is are we live on Twitch? Wait, hold on. Okay, we are live on Twitch. We are trying to make a game using ChatGPT. So I'm gonna open Unreal Engine, and first we gotta use ChatGPT to give us an idea, maybe some code, if that's possible. So, why don't we lock in here? Somehow we got 0 people in here, which that's fine. Didn't even know that was possible to get 0 people, but here we go. So I'm planning on just doing like a normal shooter or something. Anything that is just calming or, something. Alright. I want to make a game in Unreal.
Absolutely, I can help you make a game with Unreal Engine. Whether you're going for a simple prototype or a full-blown project, I can assist with game design and planning, blueprint scripting, C++ code in Unreal, UI UX design, level environment design, animation and character setup, publishing and packaging. To get started, just let me know. 1. What kind of game are you making? Genre, gameplay style, etc. 2. Are you using blueprints, C++, or both? Do you already have a project set up in Unreal Engine or starting from scratch? 4. What's your experience level with Unreal? Once I know that, I can tailor the help, step by step if needed.
I am planning to make a little, should we do like a survival or horror game? Survival game using just blueprints. Starting from scratch, and I have very little experience. Damn. Bro is confuzzled.
Awesome. A survival game is a perfect way to learn Unreal blueprints. It covers a lot of core systems and gameplay mechanics. Since you're starting fresh and using blueprints, I'll guide you step by step. Here's a basic roadmap to get things rolling. Step 1. Set up your project. 1. Open Unreal Engine, latest version recommended. Let me know if you need help installing. 2. Click Games Next, blank project. 3. Set it to Blueprint, enable starter content, it has useful assets, and name it something like Survival Prototype. 4. Click Create. Step 2. Basic player controller, first or third person. Would you prefer first person view, like The Forest, third person view, like Valheim? Once you pick one, I'll help you get the player character set up with movement, jumping, and looking around. Step 3. Core survival features. We'll add these step by step later. Here's a quick list of mechanics we can build over time. Hunger, thirst, stamina system. Crafting system, day-night cycle, inventory system, building system, enemy AI, zombies, animals, etc. Resource gathering, wood, stone, etc. Just let me know. 1. First or third person? 2. Any feature you're most excited to start with? 3. Do you want to follow along with short explanations and screenshots? Or maybe even video links? Or do you just want quick steps? I'll get you moving fast.
I'm thinking first person. Any feature I'm most excited with? Probably the hunger or material system, and just short steps will be good. Okay, let's just wait. Alright, let's see.
Perfect. First person plus hunger plus material system, let's go. Here's your short step guide to get started. Step 1, set up first person character 1. Create new project, launch Unreal Games, first person template. Blueprint, include starter content, name it survival game, create. 2, you now have a basic FPS character with a gun. Let's clean it. Open the folder First Person BP Blueprints BP First Person Character. In the Components tab, delete the FP gun and muzzle location components. In the Event Graph, delete any logic related to firing or spawning projectiles. Step 2, add a hunger system. Add variables. 1, open BP First Person Character. 2, in the Variables section, left panel, click to add a new variable. Name hunger, type float, set default value 100.0. B, decrease hunger over time. 1, in the Event Graph, right-click and search for event tick. 2, drag out hunger, get, drag out from it, and use float, connect to set hunger. 3, use delta seconds 0.5 or whatever speed you want hunger to drop. This reduces hunger over time. C, print hunger to screen for testing. 1, after setting hunger, drag out print string. 2, connect hunger, convert it to string to it. Now when you play, you'll see the hunger dropping. Step 3, add a basic material pickup system. A, create a pickup actor 1. Right-click in Content Browser, Blueprint Class, select Actor, name it BP Wood Pickup. 2, open it, add a static mesh component, set it to a small log or rock from starter content, add a sphere collision component. B, add logic to pick it up. 1, in the Event Graph, select the sphere, right-click in Graph, add-on component begin overlap. From the other actor, cast to BP First Person Character. If true, add a new integer variable in the character called wood count. In the Pickup Blueprint, call wood count plus 1, set wood count. Then call destroy actor on self. C, place the pickup drag BP wood pickup into the level and test it should disappear when touched and add to your wood count. Next steps, your choice. Display wood or hunger in UI HUD, add eating to restore hunger, add inventory system, add tree chopping, resource gathering. Let me know which of these you want to do next, and I'll give you the next short steps.
Alright, let's start up here. Just moving it to the other screen. Unreal Engine. said games. First person. Blueprint. Include starter content, name it survival game, and create. All right. Next, we got to. Where'd it go? Oh. Open BP first person character. I'm assuming it's here. Content. First person BP. Where's blueprints? What? In the folder first person BP blueprints. Bro, what? Okay, first person blueprints. First person BP. This one it said to get rid of. Remember that. Rifle. Muzzle location, alright, whatever. Open first. Okay. Open variables, left panel. Variables. What? New variable like this? Oh, okay. Name it hunger. Type float. Set value 100.0. Says 0. And then drag out hunger. Get. Huh? Wait. In the event graph, where do you see that? Can you explain the decrease hunger over time?
Definitely. Here's a breakdown of how the hunger decrease over time works in Blueprint in clear steps. Hash goal. Make the player's hunger value slowly go down every second while the game runs. How it works. We use an Unreal Engine built-in event called Event Tick. It runs every single frame, like 60 times per second, and gives us a value called delta seconds, which is the time between frames. So instead of removing a flat value every frame, which would be way too fast, we reduce hunger using delta seconds a multiplier, like 0.5, so it works smoothly and consistently over time. Steps to do it in Blueprints. 1. Open your BP first-person character. 2. In the event graph, right-click and type event tick. Click it to add it. 3. Create a float variable called hunger. Set its default to 4. Drag the hunger variable into the graph, choose get. 5. Drag off from it and type float minus float. 6. In
the event graph, right click. What? Right click. Bro, what? Right click on type. Well, this is the event graph. Bruh, I don't know where it spawned. Bro, where did it spawn? Oh. Get hunger, right? Okay, and then drag off and type negative. Wait, what? Create a float variable yet? Drag the hunger into the graph and choose get. Drag off from it and type minus float minus float. And the second input. A bit confusing. Can you explain with more steps to locate these things? Oh, wait, I have to right click somewhere? Okay, wait. That made it so much easier. Right click anywhere and type event graph. Tick? Event ticket. Okay, stage 4. Drag out the set hunger node. Hunger value 100.0. Connect hunger to get. Wait, what? Okay. Left panel and choose get. Okay, so that one's set. Now this one, get. Okay. Now right click and search. Yeah, right click what this? And search. Bro. Drag the hunger variable into the graph from the left panel and choose get. Right click and search add a float. I'm assuming a get float. I don't know. And search for a float / float node. A float. Alrighty. Connect the hunger, the get, so this is that get, into the first input. Now, what? Can you explain number 4 more like oh my god, I know. Right click anywhere on the graph to create the node. Create a float node. Right click anywhere and find float. Create the node. This will subtract one number. If I go like that. I'll stop grab. Connect the output get hunger to the first the first input is up here though, and it won't let us. connect the output of the get hunger to the first input of this node. Bruh. But when I search float, it just says this. It says camera. I think it would have to go into this, right? First input of this node. See, like, again, bro, it doesn't go into the first one anywhere. Did I close ChatGPT?
Hello, Internet. Welcome to Food.
Alright. Bro, can this thing load faster? That's it. Bruh. Why is it not rendering? Alright. Okay, event tick, seconds, hunger, float, minus float equals float. Okay, we got the event tick, yeah. We don't got the set. Oh, it's right here. Oh no, it's right here. Okay, set. Delta seconds. And then hunger. Oh, it's not doing that. Okay, we don't need you. Ventic apparently does not connect to anything. Where'd he go? Dude. Wait, which one's right? Doesn't help me. It's just yapping. Alright, this actually makes a little bit more sense. Okay, we got that. Just set hunger. Oh, it goes to the... like that. Okay. Guess that delta seconds doesn't do anything. And then we need hunger, which is this one. I don't know what that is. Then we need a float minus float. Okay, we got a float minus float. Then set that to the bottom of this one. And then we got this hunger, which would go into that, which I don't know what that is. Okay, let's get a float, asterisk, float. Asterisk. Is it this? I don't think it's that. Chat, what do we think so far? What do we think? just taking a little bit longer to load, but it works. Bruh, this is taking a long time. Wow. I doubt that's true. Alright, let's see here. Event. See, now it's changing. I thought there was a -1. So float_x float would go into the value of float_x float. Okay, wait, this one's actually kind of accurate. I got the delta seconds, or the delta, because I couldn't generate the whole thing. So that connects to the float_x float. I don't think that works. Bruh, it's not even... accurate editing, but bro, it's acting like this so easy. Can you generate function? Oh, that's mean. If I get a new chat, then what happens? do like, bruh. I don't even know what this is supposed to do. Okay, we just got a walking character. Got 0 air control, look at that. Oh, I don't know how I would get this to work. Like, I wish I could just import it into the game. Just see how well it does. We were doing so good. Well, the whole stream idea kind of just like ended. Look at how people make games so well. Don't save. I want to work on my other game though. Maybe get some help from ChatGPT. Alright. So this was the original work I was trying to make, but I wanted to call it Place Runner. So then you could just run around and stuff. I wanted to make a horror game. No, I haven't really tested out many of these. I just want to see what this is about. You know? Bruh. It's crazy how I've seen that. Elk chatter. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's see if we can get some inspiration here. Dude, that actually sucks. Like, come on, bruh. I had so many things. It was like going perfect. Not really, but. I want to create a game kind of like Repo, where it has like the chats they're said with only emojis, you know. I feel like that would be cool to implement. I don't even know what this is. Let's close that. Like, I don't know, I kind of want to make like an animation, but I kind of don't mind. Feel me? But I want to make a game like Repo, like I feel like that would be very cool. Yeah, I think I create another one like this, and then I'll just remove all the guns and stuff, and then see what I can do with that. And now we should just be a walking thing. Don't know why it's so laggy. Jeez. Alright, that's much better. Probably just had to like render everything. Alright. Now that we got that, let's fly back over here. Let's delete. God damn it. Alright. Sorry, that was very loud. Let's go here. There we go. There we go. Now, There we go. Oh, it does got arms. Oh, it is literally just arms. Wait, what? That's so weird. Alright, let's add spotlight. So you'll have like glowing eyes. Getting longer. Well, we got a little spotlight, I guess. Lighting up the whole place. Ding! Alright, let's turn up the range. Make it like a couple hundred lumens. And look at that, that's good. It's a good distance. Let's just turn it down a little bit more. Like, yeah. Okay. Got that. Now we need another light. Where is it? Why am I so far away? Damn. Point light. There. I have a little glow. There, we got our own little glow now. I feel like it's really bright. Should have like more blue. Alright. Should make the other spotlight also blue. Like a tealish. Got glowing eyes. Well, that's a problem. If you're able to see it in the daylight. Now look, it's super soft now. When we go out here, you can still see it. Let's go darker. .0012. increase. Do 4 lumens. Nah, look at that. That's much better. Now you can barely see it. I think we could go down to like a 2. Got a little 2 lumens. Barely able to see it. Look at that. That's so much better. Got the light working. I couldn't really see my arms. I feel like we can move that forward. Alright. Got the little flashlight, got the little glowing area. I think I can actually make that a lot lower. Point light. There's a small little glow. It's probably more visible when you walk up to walls, yeah. It's kind of terrifying. And there'll be a little screen right here. Anyway, we should probably change some like the settings, like for ray tracing and stuff. Project settings. Rendering. Ray traced shadows. Maybe that wasn't a good idea. Look at. Alright, restart. Save. Alrighty, well, that was a midstream. Hope you guys have a great one. I set on my stream to do pretty well, and nobody tuned in, but that's fine. So